Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Mrs. Hannah. Today I'm going to teach you mathematics. First, let's come to here. Whenever you study mathematics, try to count from number 1 to 100. And practice writing from number 1 to 50 with your parents. Then spell number 1 on A, 2, 20, 2 and 3. Okay, so today's lesson is addition. The symbol of addition is this one. You know what addition means? It means anything that can be added. So for today, I'm going to use to add numbers comparing. So we have the given numbers here. This number is 9. We read this symbol as plus and 4. So when we read 9 plus 4, 9 is bigger than 4 and 4 is smaller than 9. So point on bigger number and arrange fingers for number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then start to count from bigger number, then come to the smaller one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 is here. This is number 13. 1, 3, 13. Then let's come to the other example. 5 plus 3. 5 is bigger than 3 and 3 is smaller than 5. So you point on 5, arrange 3 fingers for number 3. 1, 2, 3. Then start to count from bigger number, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Here is number 8. Good. Let's come to the last one. Here is number 10 and here is number 2. When we read 10 plus 2, 10 is bigger than 2 and number 2 is smaller than 10. So we point on bigger number and arrange 2 fingers for the smaller one. 1, 2. See? 2 fingers. Then start to count from bigger number, which is 10. So 10, 11, 12. So we put 1, 2, 12. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Good. Let me show you on the board with the same numbers. Here is 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Then you write 13 on the space provided. The next one is 5 plus 3. We got 8. Yes? So 5 plus 3 equals 8. So you write number 8 on the space provided. Then 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Here 10 plus 2 equals 12. So you write 12 on the line. This is for today. Stay safe and bye.
Good morning, everyone. How's everything? Hopefully, you are keeping yourself clean and safe. Now, I'm going to give you some tips about subtraction. Before that, let's revise the lesson what we did in the previous session, which was addition. Do you remember how to add? Of course you do. We put the big number in our mind, the small number with our fingers. Let's see examples. 6 plus 4. Which one is a big number? Yes, 6 is a big number. So we'll put 6 in our mind, 4 with our fingers. So let's count them together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. Excellent. Let's see the next question. Which one is big number? Excellent. 7 is a big number. So let's put 7 in our mind, 2 with our fingers. 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Now, let me show you how to add with 2-digit number. Adding down. Let's see adding down. 32 plus 44. Always when you add, you have to see the second number, not the first number. We start from the second number. So which one is big number? 2 or 4? Excellent. 4 is a big number. So let's put in our mind 4 and take out 2 fingers. Okay, add it. Okay. 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Let's go to the next one. 3 and 4. So which one is big? 4. So let's put 4 in our mind, 3 with our finger. 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. One more. 71 plus 25. Now, let's add 1 and 5 for here. So which one is big number? Excellent. 5 is a big number. So put in your mind 5, take out 1. Okay, let's add it together. 5 and 6. You're excellent. 7 plus 2. Now here, which one is a big one? 7. Okay, let's add it together. 7, 8, 9. Now, let's give you one question and you will do it by yourself. I'll give you 2 minutes to do it. I hope you get the correct answer. The correct answer is 86. Excellent. Now let's discuss the new topic, which It is called minus. We will make it to subtract. So, subtraction is to take away or to reduce. When we subtract, we have to see the smaller number. Always, when we subtract, you have to see the smaller number. Let me show you how to subtract. So, when we subtract, we will throw the small number and we will count up to the bigger number. Here are the big number here. 5, 6, 9, 10, 7. Did you see it? Three, 2, 5, 6, 4 are small numbers. So we will count, we will throw the small number and we will count up to the bigger number. Okay? Here, which one is the small number? Excellent. 3 is a small number. So let's throw 3. Are you ready? Okay. 3, we will count up to 5. Let's throw 3, 4, 5. The answer is? Excellent. The answer is 2. 6 minus 2. Which one is the small number? Excellent. 2 is the small number. So let's count up to 6. Let's throw 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? 4. Excellent. Now, let's go to the next question. 9 and 5. So, which one is a small number? Nice. Okay, let's throw 5. 5 is a smaller number, so let's throw 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is? Excellent. Okay, 10 minus 6. Which one is small? Yes, 6. So we will count up to 10. Let's count it. Let's throw 6 first. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 4. Okay, the last question is 7 minus 4. Which one is small? 4. So let's count up to 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 3. Excellent, students. I hope you understand how to subtract. Keep it practicing. See you soon. Bye. I love you all.
Hello boys and girls, and today maths lesson we're going to revise addition and subtraction. It's because you practice a lot, it's easy for you adding and subtracting numbers. So let's practice these numbers together. 9 plus 7. So the bigger number is 9, so we put it in our mind and the small number on our fingers and we count. So 9 in my mind, 7 in my finger. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The answer is 16. So 1, 6, 16. It's okay if the number is big because you're gonna put it in your mind. 13 in my mind, 2 in my fingers. 13, 14, 15. The answer is 1, 5, 15. If you have big numbers like this, first, make a line between the numbers and add the numbers at the one space. 5 in my mind, 4 in my finger. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you add numbers on the tens place. 1 in my mind, 2 in my fingers. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 39. Here, we start from the ones place. So let's put 3 on mine and 6 in our fingers. 3 in my mind, 6 in my finger. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we put 6 on our mind and 2 in our fingers. 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 89, 89. And always, when you add a number with 0, the answer is the big number. So here the answer is 5. Now let's see subtraction. Subtraction is taking away. So here we have 6 minus 2. So this is what we want to do. We count from the small number to the big number. The small number is 2. So let's count to 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 4. And here we have 40 minus 7. So let's count from 7 to 40. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 40. The answer is 5, 6, 7. Just like we did on the addition, when we have two digit numbers, we make line between the numbers. And we start from the ones place. 7 and 4. So let's count from the small number to the big number. 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 3. Here let's count from 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 2. 23. Here let's count from 3 to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 6. And here also we count from 8 to 9. 8, 9. The answer is 160. When we subtract 0 from a number, always the answer is the number itself. So remember one thing. When you add or subtract 0, the answer is the big number itself. I think so easy, so practice more and then you will be good with addition, subtraction. And let's come to today's lesson. It's about fraction. Fraction is dividing a whole into parts or into pieces. Here we have a square and we divided it into 4. Here we have circle and we divided it into 4. Here we have triangle and we divided it into 2. So here we colored some parts of the shapes and we call them the shaded parts. So on your book, if the instructions say write the shaded part, this is how you're gonna do it. First, you count the shaded part. How many shaded parts or colored parts we have here? 1. And then when you finish, you will count all the parts, including the shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we read it like 1 over 4. Here, how many shaded or colored parts we have? 1, 2. We're gonna write it above, and then we count all the shapes. All the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be 2 over 4. Here we have one shaded part, so we're gonna write it on top, and then we count all the parts that we divide. 1, 2. 1 over 2. I think it's so easy. So practice the questions on your textbook and ask your parents to give you questions like this, and then practice, and it's gonna be easy for you. See you next time.
Hello kids, hello parents, how are you all? How are you kids? You feel safe at home, right? Good. Have you watched last time's video? It was about addition and it was helpful for you, right? And I know you're practicing on addition. Good. Today, I'm going to show you a new lesson, which is subtraction. You're going to say after me, okay? Subtraction. Subtraction. You know what subtraction is? Subtraction is taking away from a group or number of things. I'm going to show you with some objects and numbers here. Okay. This is symbol of subtraction. We call it minus, okay? Here are 3 blocks. Shall we count together? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, right? It says 3 minus 2. Let's take 2 of them away, okay? 1, 2, away. So, how many left over? It's 1. Say 1. So, you're going to put 1 here. You read 3 minus 2 equals 1. Very good. Let's go to the next example. What do you see here, kids? What are these? These are bottle lids, right? How many bottle lids do you see here? Let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? It says 5 minus 1 equals what? So we have 5 bottle lids here. Let's take one of them. Okay? Let's take away one of these bottle lids. How many left over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is number 4 here? This one is not number 4. This one is 4. So we put 4 here. Let's go to another red bottle lids. Let's see with them. This says 6 minus 4. How many bottle lids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says take away 4 of them. Okay? So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many left here? 1, 2. So you take number 2 and put it here. It's very simple, right? Very good. You will practice it at home again and again. Now, let's see here with numbers. What is this number? It's 3, yes? You're going to read after me. 3 minus 2 equals blank. Say it again. 3 minus 2 equals what? Okay, I can use my fingers to subtract from 3 to 2. Okay, from 3 to. I have 1, 2, 3 fingers here. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3 fingers. Take away 2 of them. 1, 2. Or you fold 2 of your fingers. And how many left? It's 1. So you write 1 here. Very good. Write 1 on the line. Let's go to the next example. How many here? What is this number? It's 5. Very good. And minus, this number is 1. Let's read together. 5 minus 1 equals blank. Okay, let's use 5 fingers of ours, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? 5 fingers here. Take away 1 of my finger. How many fingers do I left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I write 4 here. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Very good. Okay. What is this number? It's 6. Yes? So we're going to prepare 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So we're going to take away 4 of our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we fold 4 of them. Yes? And how many left over? 1, 2. So you write here 2 on the line. We read 6 minus 4 equals 2. Let's read it together. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Practice this again and again with your parents, okay? Good job. Stay safe. Wash your hands frequently. Then I'll see you next video. Bye.
Hi, hello kids. Now let's learn about math. Remember last time Miss Vida showed you how to subtract numbers. Today we're going to revise subtraction by counting back and subtract 2-digit numbers. Okay? Subtraction, counting back. For example, we'll have 5 minus 2. Okay, look at here, 5 minus 2. And we have a number line, and then we're going to count back. Let me show you how we're going to count it back. It's 5. We start from the big number, 5. And then we're counting back 2 times. Okay, we're going to counting back 2 times. We start from 5. 1 here. Another one here. It's 2. Remember? Let's do it again. 1, 2 times. So we end on number 3. So when we're counting back 2 times, we end on number 3. So 5 minus 2 is number 3. Remember? 5 minus 2 is number 3. Look at it. We count back and then we end on number 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to number 3. Now we're going to subtract 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. Look at that. We always hold on each number when we write the answers. Okay? We don't write this answer here. We go down and write the answer, the right answer under here. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Let's count back here again. By counting back, we can get 5 minus 3. We start from 5 and then we go back 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. And then we end on number 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. How about 6 minus 2? We have 6 here, and then we're going back 2 times. Let me show you. Let me write this one, and then let's do 6 minus 2 here. 1, we're counting back 2 times. Don't forget that. And 2. 1 and 2, and we're on 4. 4. You see, we write the numbers in each side. Okay, we don't write this answer here and this here. We have to put it straight under the number. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. It's 42. You got it, yeah? Oh, today we have a new lesson. It's about telling time. Telling time. There's a clock here. We have always in a clock short and long hand. This is a long hand and this is a short hand. Always the short one is telling us about the time, the real time, and the long one is telling us about the minute. The hour and the minute. The short one is telling us about the hour, and the long one is telling us about the minute. So whenever the long one is on number 12 and the short one is on the other number, like number 3 or number 2 or number 1, it's the exact hour, that is it. When it's on 12 and when it's on 3, now it's 3 o'clock. Let me show you. It's like this. And then let's make it on number 6. It is now 6 o'clock. We say 6 o'clock. This is the short one. And the long one is on 12, and the short one is on 9. Now it is 9 o'clock. Let me show you with sample. I have a sample paper, and then I'll show you how we're going to do it. Look here. Let's say this is a clock, and then here it is long hand, and this one is the short one. Now it is 3 o'clock. Let's turn this on number 2, and this is on 12. Now it is 2 o'clock. Let's move it on 4. Now it is 4 o'clock. Don't forget that. Now it is 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. This is always on 12. The long one, the long hand is always on 12. And now it is 8 o'clock. I hope it's very simple. We'll practice this more next time too, okay? This is how we tell time. This is how we tell time. The long hand is always on 12, and the short one is always in other number. That means the exact hour, okay? Now it's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Hope you got it. Thank you.
Hello kids, how are you? I'm fine. This is Miss Stella. Today we will learn on maths about less and more. Say after me. Less. More. Okay, now I'm going to show you some pictures. You have to count together with me. Can you see these dots? Okay, we will count each of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots? 5. Now let's count the other one. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So, which one is more? 5 dots or 3 dots? Good. This one is more. That means these have lots of dots than this one. Yes? Good. And this one is less. Say more, less. Good. Now we have different kinds of balls here together. Now let's count them one by one. Count together with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many green balls do we have? We have 4 green balls. And here, let's count it together. 1, 2. How many yellow balls? We have 2 yellow balls. Which one has more balls and which one have less balls? Good. The green one is more and the yellow is less because we have only 2 yellow balls. Good. Let's see more examples with the toys. Did you see? I have red toys and blue. Let's count the red one. 1, 2, 3. How many red dots do we have? We have 3. And let's count the blue one together. 1, 2. Very good. Now, which one is more? More means, big in number. Okay, so these 3 dolls are more than these 2 blue dolls. Very good. Practice this at your home. You can use a pencil, you can use erasers or sharpeners, whatever objects you have at home. You can make it like a game and you can practice it with your mom and dad, okay? Good. Keep safe, stay home and study very hard. Okay? Good. This is all for today. Goodbye, kids.